Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are revising well for your essay-1 exam. So in today's GK class, we will not do anything more. First, we will just revise the test paper, which is given on page number 38, in which we have some mixed questions from different exercises. So I have mentioned the answers here. Okay, so if you have any doubt, then you can check. So the first question is, in which sporting event did PV Sindhu win a silver medal for India at Rio Olympics 2016? So the question is basically about that what sport does PV Sindhu plays. She plays badminton. She has won the silver medal in Rio Olympics 2016, okay, in the field of badminton. In second question, we have some pictures of the sport persons, so you have to identify. First picture is Lionel Messi, second is Virat Kohli, and third picture, she is PV Sindhu. The third question is, which country won the maximum number of gold medals in Rio Olympics 2016? So USA won the maximum number of gold medal in Rio Olympic, which was held in 2016. Fourth question is, who won a boxing gold medal for India at the 2018 Asian Games? So in boxing, Amit Panghal, he won gold medal for India in boxing. Fifth question is, how many birthdays does an average man have? So every man has only one birthday. As we all know, this is the question of analytical and logical reasoning chapter. Okay, now here this is a mathematical question. Take the pair with ratio same is 13:169. So if you will so if you will solve this, the second one, 17:221, so it is similar to 13:169. Okay, you have to solve these rational. You will get the same answer if you will solve. Seventh question is, take the correct meaning of the word palate. So the correct meaning of palate is the roof of the mouth. That area is called the palate. Eighth one is, what can be used only after it has broken? Means what we can use when it is broken. So it is egg. So when the egg is broken, only then we can use it. Ninth question is, if day after tomorrow is Tuesday, what was the day before yesterday? So Friday is the day. Last question we have, observe the pattern and fill in the missing number. So one series is given here, 106, 98, 82. So in this chain we will get next number 58. Okay, now we will solve another page, actually, which is unit 5 actually. So we will just do one page only. I will explain the questions to you, and I have mentioned answers also. Okay, so you do not need to do any extra efforts for this. You can just watch the video and you can complete your exercise. Page number 39, human body quiz. So as you all can see, a picture is given here of human body, and here we have some general questions related to human body. As first question is, how many layers of skin do we have? So basically you will find answers vary for this question. Somewhere you will find there are 7 layers, but overall overall there are 3 layers in human skin. So first is called epidermis, second is called the dermis, and third is called the hypodermis. Hypodermis layer is also called the subcutaneous fat layer. Okay, second question is, what do we call the blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart? So arteries. We called the blood vessels arteries, okay, which carries blood away from the heart. Third question is, how many ribs do the human have? So human have 12 pair of ribs, that is 24 ribs overall. Fourth question is, name the part of alimentary canal where the food digested. Okay, so this part is called small intestine. The food is digested in small intestine. It is the alimentary canal where the food is digested. Fifth question is, what is the black part of the eye is called? So the black part of the eye is called, which is a circle, is called the pupil. Okay, it is used for monitoring the amount of light. Okay, I have mentioned the hint here also. Okay, which internal organ is the largest gland in the human body? So liver is the largest gland in human body. Okay, so the weight of the liver is approximately 3 to 3.5 pounds. Seventh question is, which body part connect the mouth to the stomach? So the mouth is connected with the stomach through the food pipe. Okay. Eighth question is, which internal organ of the human body is responsible for the exchange of gases? So lungs. Okay, the right answer is lungs. Lungs are responsible for the exchange of gases in the human body. Ninth question is, which part of human body will you find the smallest bone? So the smallest bone of human body is found in ears, actually in middle ear. Okay. Last questions we have, what do we call the study of human body? So the study of human body is called anatomy. Okay, at the last you have hints are also given here, and I have mentioned the answers of all the questions, so you all can complete your exercise easily. Okay, so that's all for today. Just keep revising and prepare for your S7 exam. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.